Para sa akin, it's a welcome development because it's easier for those who want to know about their public servants, kung ano yung kanilang kinikita, ano yung kanilang mga negosyo. Kasi kasama rin sa SALN yung negosyo eh. You have to disclose. And in light of what's happening right now na maraming mga nasasangkot sa flood control projects, may mga related sa contractors. In fact, di ba sa COA mayroong commissioner na related sa contractor. Maganda na magkaroon ng full disclosure through the SALN. You know? Pero mas maganda yung gagawin ng COA in addition to full disclosure. Di ba sinabi nila magsasign sila rin ng document,
Declaration of
declaration of
conflict of interest.
conflict of interest.